FDP, Franklin Dewatering Professional Drainage Pumps, are available in a power range from 1 to 22 kW. These submersible pumps for professional use are ideal for both clear and turbid water drainage. The 40 FDP series can be used as ready-to-use portable pump on construction sites, for basement wells or fixed installations with control panel. 80 FDP series and higher are designed for construction sites and can handle various liquids, including abrasive ones. The 40 and 80 series feature an open impeller and a double open impeller made of cast iron and stainless steel. The 100 to 150 FDP series, constructed from cast iron and stainless steel, features a silicon carbide mechanical seal. The power ranges from 5.5 kW to 15 kW. The impellers are made of cast iron with a chrome alloy for enhanced strength and durability. They're equipped with an anti-wear polyurethane coating and a graphite aluminium and silicon carbide double mechanical seal. The 150 FDP series boasts an aluminium body, a silicon carbide mechanical seal, and a stainless steel open impeller. FDP pumps are the best choice for residential and commercial applications. These electrical pumps are perfect for draining and dewatering rooms or tanks, rainwater collection, dewatering construction and mining sites, and handling flood emergencies.